You would never guess that I would talk about this. Oyster. Oyster. Why talk about the oyster? The oyster is the highest food on the planet in zinc. What is zinc good for? Well, I'll tell you the primary function of zinc, aside from being for your immune system, is it's a precursor for testosterone production. Now, every man and woman needs testosterone. Some of you are like, I don't care how much zinc is in there. I'm not eating that. That's cool. That's cool, but be knowledgeable, right? So just hear out the information, even if you don't like it. The zinc in the oyster is a precursor to Jing. Big time, to Jing. Do you know that the human sperm has 800 times more zinc than your blood does? So the body is storing this mineral up. You know zinc, this will get you, is the #1 deficient mineral. There's no mineral that is more deficient in the human society than zinc. So it's a real problem. Why is it deficient? Because it's not abundant in very many things. It's hard to get your zinc from food. Very hard. What is the second highest food in zinc is the pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed is #2. Oyster is #1. It would take you 5 cups of pumpkin seed milk, which I enjoy making. 5 cups of pumpkin seed milk to equal the zinc in one teeny, 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 tiny little oyster. The reason that the oyster is so profound, one little oyster has 100% of the RDA. I doubt you're going to drink 5 cups of pumpkin seed milk. Now, the thing is that our body needs zinc. The immune system needs zinc. We need zinc for hormone production, endocrine system. If you have a weak endocrine system, a low sex drive, if your energy is low, I recommend you try some oyster. Do you know who Casanova was? What was he famous for? He was famous for, yes. And he ate oysters every day. Yes, this is a true story. He figured it out. It increases sperm. Well, who cares about that? But that's the whole foundation of health in Chinese medicine. So you have to understand that. That it's not just about something silly that we laugh about, but that's actually the fluid of life. And if something can do that, that's a profound Jing tonic. That's a profound Jing tonic. I recommend the boiled oyster. Yeah, it's boiled. Another kind I like the smoked, but that's not as good for you because of the free radicals, right? But the boiled in water, this is really good just on some sprouted bread. The raw oysters, with everything that happened in the Gulf and everything that's going on in our oceans, the oyster is a filter feeder. The main risk is not the pollution, it's the bacteria. And when you cook it, you get that out. So I think it's safer to eat oysters cooked, especially if you eat them on a regular basis. But if you eat them raw, I occasionally eat them raw. You have to be strong in your digestion and only do it, every now and then.